Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiners of the Final Examination. Good afternoon, Ms. Septa Aryanika, MPD. In this special occasion, I'm Gita Rahma Saputri, a student of English Education, Department Faculty of Tarbiyah, Universitas Islam Negeri Raden Intan Lampung. I would like to thank to the examiners who have given me an opportunity to present about my proposal with the title The Effect of the Five Sensory Technique through Physical Response to Improving Student Writing Ability in Teaching Writing. Well, my proposal consists of the three chapters. First, introduction. Second, literature review, and the last, third, research methodology. Well, for the first discussion is background of the problem. Background of the problem. Teaching English as a foreign language in Indonesia can be both complex and simple. English has many linguistic rules that are very different from Indonesian. One way that can be used to overcome the problem faced by language learners is to use the five senses technique through the physical action of writing. Writing is a one-step process in English. Writing is a skill that involves not only language proficiency, but also a practical understanding of how to put truth on paper. So student and teacher can apply the solution and strategies provided by expert. One way teacher can overcome the problem faced by language learners is to use the five senses technique through the physical action of writing. Written will use the language correctly in various contexts, understand the reader and take the appropriate attitude from the author. Writing is a skill that involves not just language proficiency, but also a practical understanding of how to put talk on paper. Writing is one of the basic language skills that high school students should acquire. Vicky say that writing is a complex process, and most research literature recognizes the difficult it poses to students. Most teaching writing in context area does not consist tell students how to write, but in creating a situation where they will not write and want to write well using their subject matter knowledge in the process. Next, identification of the problems. First, student writing ability is low. Second, a student have a difficult writing through physical response in teaching writing. Next, significance of the study. Using the technique of the five senses through physical reaction is one of the means for efficient learning activities during writing class. Due to this technique, English learning material increase students' interest in learning. Next, objective of the study, to find out whether there is one effect of use the five senses technique through physical response to improve students' writing skill in teaching English writing. Next, research question. Is there any effect of using the five senses technique through physical response to improve students' writing skill in teaching learning English? Next, any limitation of the problem? Focus on the effect of using the five sense technique through physical response to improving students' writing skill in teaching English writing. Next, chapter 2, any literature review. The first are theoretical framework. To support the idea or concept of this research, some theories are needed to explain to accept or term in this research. The following terms are used, some basic and relevant theories. First, concept of writing. Writing in the context area can transform not taking the writing down of fact to be remembered into journal keeping. When study interact, when study interact with and respond to subject matter context, it can turn the traditional unit on the business ladder into a real exercise in communication. When study writing ladder to live people in a attempt to learn something for class. It can change examination writing for regurgitation to imaginative synthesis and integrative integration of idea. The teacher will know the process of students in writing based on same step. Teaching writing is process that the teacher does in classroom activities. Students can convey their ideas to their mind by organizing them into a good text so that the other knows them and they can think critically. Therefore, learning is very important for improved writing, in particular learning of English in Indonesian, because the writing is a process transformation of truth and idea into tangible form of writing. In addition, many people choose writing as a means of effect and efficient communication of information to be conveyed in some way, like posting letter, business letter, and important information in a company product. Next, concept of descriptive text. Gerard and Weigel, Knapp and Watkins, 2005, explained that descriptive text is a type of text used by writers or speakers to describe certain height, people, thing, people, animals, place, and or even to reader or listener. Descriptive text has its structure or stage element or structure of descriptive text. Schema are called identification or general statement and description. Next, concept of five steps. Concept of five next, concept of five senses technique. Wilhelm states that once students see something in their mind, they find it much easier to write about. In addition, evaluation based on the five senses can aid students and improve writing skill. The five senses technique can be used in teaching writing descriptive text. And the procedure, step 1, with your class read the text you have choose. Have students underline phrases that check their attention based on their five senses. Afterward, ask students to share with a partner what they underline. Step 2, tell students to focus on image their special place that they want to communicate to the reader. Next, step 3, have students discuss the notes in their chart with partner. Then ask a student to return to their chart and based on their conversation, add detail, talk, and emotion. Step 4, ask students to find a new partner and again, based on their notes, describe their special place. Following their second conversation, have them add more detail to their chart. Step 5, given students time to write a paragraph based on the notes they took. Step 6, arrange students in pairs so they can read their paragraph aloud to a partner. Before students begin reading, tell them that listening partner will be expert to ask the reader question and make comment on the page. Encourage the reader to take notes uh, on what their partners say. After students discuss the first partner page, have them switch roles. This next, step 7, when pair have finished their discussion, have students revise what they write. Based revision on their classmate question and comment. Step 8, pair students with new partner and have them read their revision and discussion them as before. The next 9, the last step, have students revise their pitch again. The final draft of the paragraph can be taught in during the following class. Final point, remember once students see something in their mind, they have a much easier time writing about it. Next, material any related study. There are many research has implemented some technique to improve students' ability at writing in different fields of this research. They provide the application of some technique have good effect in learning process, especially in teaching writing. The research show the visualization and five senses technique were able to aid and improve the students' writing skill. particularly in fingering the idea or in writing descriptive text. For example of the research. First, research of Tamala entitled The Effectiveness of Five Senses Technique to Improve Study Ability in Writing Descriptive Paragraph at 11th grade of MA Darussalam Azhar Kota Ken in 2015 until 2016 academic years. The second research, the research of Rahmah, entitled Improving Students' Ability in Writing Descriptive Paragraph Through Term Pair Solo Strategy at the second research, the research of Rahma, entitled Improving Student Ability in Writing Descriptive Paragraph Through the Pair Solo Strategy at 8th grade at MTS Habibullah Labuhan Batu in 2017 until 2018 academic years. The research found that teaching descriptive paragraph by using the pair solo strategy can develop the student ability at understanding descriptive paragraph. The next hypothesis. Based on the frame of thing above, the research proposed hypothesis as follows. Hypothesis 0, there is not effect of the five sensory technique through physical response to improving students' writing ability in teaching writing of the 7th grade of junior high school. Hypothesis 1, there is an effect of the five sensory technique through physical response to improving students' writing ability, writing of the 7th grade of junior high school. Next, chapter 3, the last material, research methodology. Research design. This type of research can be categorized as quantitative research with experiment method. In this study, the research will use a true experimental research design to determine the study descriptive writing ability after the students are given the five senses technique. A true experimental design that has three of average characteristic, namely the control group, the experiment group, and both the experimental and control group are selected at random. The data of this study were obtained through pre-test, post-test, and questionnaire. Next, the next material, any data collecting technique. In conducting this research, the writer will use the test as a technique to collect data. According to Arikunto and Jabar, a test is tool or procedure used to find out or measure something by using a predetermined method or rules. In this study, the author will use data from tests. The test will be conducted to determine the study writing ability after being taught to use the 5 senses. The author will provide several topics, and students must choose one of the topics provided by the author, and then make a descriptive text based on the topic. In this study, the control and experiment class will have the same test. Okay, that's all. Thank you for attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.